So it's always good to be careful of new services like this.
Today, I want to show you how to get started as an affiliate marketer and make your first $2,000 fast. So why $2,000? Well, two reasons. First, we could all use the extra money, especially today, right? And second, because we found the affiliates who reach $2,000.
Is there a single time in history where people couldn't use the extra money?
$1,000 in sales fast are the ones who quickly build up much bigger income streams for themselves.
Yeah, this is kind of the thing with Upwork. Upwork has a badge called Rising Talent, and they recognize that early on, when people demonstrate success, that means that they are more likely to be positive contributors to the platform later down the line. So they kind of want to help boost people who show promise so that the service can benefit from it. And you can also benefit from it because people will be more willing to take freelance gigs that you offer, take services that you offer to them. I mainly do freelancing on Upwork. I'm not much of an affiliate marketer, and I might have got a couple of affiliate marketing stuff from Upwork, but I'll get to that later.
Kind of like our platinum affiliates who have each made at least $250,000 in sales in a single year. So
yeah, $250,000 in a single year, you're highly unlikely to make a lot of money like that. So it's important to always make sure to do your research before making any investment decisions or making any decisions with affiliate marketing, and only gamble what you can afford to lose.
We did a study of our most successful affiliates to see what they had in common. And this is based on the $5.5 billion in total commissions we paid out since 1999. Based on the over 100,000 active affiliates using the ClickBank platform, and based on the 1,000 millionaires we've created from our affiliate payouts, here's what we found. If you want
don't expect to be a millionaire
to get to $2,000 in affiliate sales fast, there's 3 consistent steps that you're going to need to take. 3 steps that are going to set you on the right track for total affiliate success. Now, you're going to learn what those are today, and perhaps your first or next $2,000 in affiliate income will come much faster than you might think. Take Mac.
I mean, it does take time for it to come, so always be patient when waiting for your money to come. Like, personally, I have made $200 off of inbox dollars, and that was by signing up for various services kind of through an affiliate marketing program whereby I was offered money to start an account and invest a certain amount of money in, stock and stock change service. I didn't actually invest in any stocks. I just bought some products from a company, and I also played games and took surveys and got to certain scores in games to get the amount of money I was promised, and ultimately this resulted in me getting $200 over the course of 2 months. The thing is, like, when you get hundreds of dollars, especially if it's like in the hundreds, then it takes usually after you earn it, after it's like, oh yeah, you've signed up for the service and invested and deposited your $5, you have to wait like a month for it to go through. I mean, I'm not sure how it is because there are people literally buying here, unlike Upwork, which is just kind of a promotional service, usually run by automated systems.
For example, who made $2,960 in 3 short months by following these simple steps. Or Alex, who cashed in $2,844 in just 30 days. Even Sarah, who made $3,914.42 within a month. So how did they do it? It comes down to nothing more than the 3 steps I'm going to share with you.